Hey everybody, I'm grafting avocado. This is a piece of the Nabal avocado. It's the parent of Reed and it's supposed to be just as good, if not better. It's a rare variety. I'm gonna graft onto this rootstock here. This used to be a holiday avocado tree. It was really tall, really lanky, and it didn't want to branch. So I cut it way back here. And this rootstock grew out strong and nice, and it gave me a lot of lateral branches that I will now graft upon. And yeah, I'll start with, I'm gonna graft right there. Let me cut my sign wood for you guys so you guys take a look. Nice V-shaped wedge. We'll go here. Just like that. And insert. There it is. Cameraman, if you can get a little bit closer and show how there you go. That's how the alignment should look like. One smooth, I can run my finger, smooth edge. That's how I know cambium layers are aligned. And it's always a good sign when I'm moving my hand away and it's all staying in place, not falling off. That's it. Now all that's left is wrapping. Check the bottom side. Make sure everything's covered. Alright, that's it. Avocados are in active growth right now. I give this 2 weeks, 3 weeks maybe, to show some signs of growth. I'll know it's growing if these buds break through the grafting tape and if the graft is successful. I'm gonna continue to graft this, and up top I'll chop it back and graft. I wanna use maximum, I have quite a bit of sign wood, so I wanna maximize my grafting ability. Alright guys, this is the finished product down here. Here's one graft, way down here, starting down there. Then I did a bunch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So let me zoom out so you guys can see the finished product. I figured this is the best way so I can get the most grafts onto one stock. So I put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 grafts onto one, and that will give me the most variety and the most chance of success. Alright everybody, check this out. It's been about a month and this is what the grafts look like today. It looks like most of them are successful. Here's the first one. This is the Helen avocado. And I see that it's broken through the grafting tape here, and it has some nice new red leaves, looking very beautiful. Next up here, this is the Nabal avocado, and there was the graft. Here's all the tape, and then all these nice new leaves have broken through the grafting tape. Right there, right there, right there. I'm gonna come around here. This is I did a double bark graft here, and I've never done this kind of graft on avocado, so I wasn't sure it was gonna take, but it looks like it's successful. Here on the right is the Nabal, and then here on the left is the Queen avocado. And let's see, down here, here's another graft, and it looks like it's breaking through already. You can see where the graft was done. up here, and it's broken through the grafting tape, and look at all those nice new red leaves. This is another successful graft. Oh, this is the Nabal avocado too. I really wanted the Nabal avocado. It's the parent of Reed, which here I have grafted a Reed here. It's the parent of Reed, and it's supposed to be really, really good. As good as Reed, if not better. So let's see down here. Oh, you know what? This is the graft I did on film, on camera for you guys, and just my luck. This is the only one that's unsuccessful. Yeah, it's probably is not gonna make. Yeah, I followed the exact same steps when I was grafting this, the failed graft. I did the exact same steps when I did this one, which is taken and it's looking good, and I did the exact same steps on all of these except these two, the bark graft. You know. So if I did the exact same thing and this one failed and didn't make it, and these one did, you're probably thinking, what's the difference? What's happened that's different? And really, I have no answer. Grafting is a strange phenomenon. It's some of them you feel like they're gonna take and they don't take. Some of them you think there's no way this is gonna take and they do take. You know, it's some people say grafting is like one part science, one part magic, and the rest is luck and all this crazy stuff. And grafting is a strange thing. You just gotta keep trying, keep doing it until you get your method down. Here's another one. This is the Julia avocado. It's also a parent. It's also the child of Nabal. It's a seedling of Nabal. And this is another fantastic avocado variety. You guys, it goes so much beyond the Hass avocado, the one you're used to at the grocery store. If that's the only kind of avocado you had, there's so many more different kind of varieties. And if you ever can find them, try them out. You'll taste different things. You know, I'm a big fan of these varieties. I think it's really important to preserve them. I spoke with Julie Frink. She's the curator of the UC. She's the curator of the avocado collection at the UC South Coast Research Center, where they house some of the rarest varieties of avocado. They do research there. They keep like a germplasm basically. And she told me some sad news. She told me that the UC is removing a lot of these older, rarer varieties of avocado trees. They're taking them out because they want to sell that land for developers to make real estate. So I think it's very important to preserve some of these heritage varieties of avocado. For example, the Nabal and the Queen over here, they were brought to California over 100 years ago by Wilson Popenoe. And these are some of the varieties that kick-started the industry, and it got people interested in avocados. So yeah, preservation is very important. So I'm glad to have these varieties on my tree. The graft's looking good, and as always, thank you for watching. Give me a like, subscribe, let me know how your avocado grafting is going. I'd love to hear about it. Thanks, have a good day. But I had to show you guys this one, the failed one that I did on video. I had to show it to you guys because, you know, you have to keep it 100% honest, keep it 100% open and truthful to everyone out there. I don't want to sugarcoat anything or you know, present a dishonest view to you guys.